What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to the channel. Your girl, Sweet Angel here, and excited as ever. Y'all, we are juicing. We are doing it all. Yep, you're ready for it. If you're ready for it, say yeah. Because we juice it, we drink it, we mask it. And that's what it's all about today. I'll be sharing with you one that I've found to be a very interesting, great juicing. Oh my goodness, this one's so super great. And let me tell you, I found this one on a young lady's page named Velvet Locks. It is a juicing that you can lose 30 pounds in 14 days. Y'all know that got my attention, right? With this extremely fast pineapple weight loss drink. So we're going to juice it and we're going to drink it and we're going to see what happens. This is what it proclaims to do. If you're trying to lose weight fast and you want to get rid of that excess bloating in your body and burn fat fast, well, this is supposed to be the drink that's going to help you do that. It's supposed to be the drink that's going to help you lose 30 pounds in 14 days, drinking this twice a day. That's twice a day. Now, I do have other juices that I drink, so whether I'm going to do it twice a day or not, I'm not really sure, but I want to try it out. I want to see what it's going to do in 24 hours. I want to see what it's going to do in 48 hours. What you do is drink this one first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and then in the evening before bed. You should also eat healthy and clean meals and of course shake it up, girl. Do your exercise, keep it moving, okay? Now it says this drink really works and it's safe to drink every day to continue slimming down. Let me talk about the ingredients here. Very easy, very simple. Cucumber will be adding in first. I'm taking one whole cucumber as it states. I am doing my recipe just a little bit different, so I don't know whether that's going to make it or break it or whatever, but this is how I'm going to do mine. I'm going to juice up everything first. I'm not blending it all in a blender. I'm juicing mine. So I'm going to do one whole cucumber. Cucumber has a 0 fat, low calories, making it an excellent snack for people looking to lose weight. It also helps with weight loss. Yes, if you are trying to lose weight, replacing your sugary sodas, sports drinks, and juices with cucumber water can actually help you cut some serious calories from your diet. And you'll stay hydrated, and it also helps you to feel full. The next ingredient we're going to be using, just a couple of inches of ginger. I may add a little bit more than a couple of inches, who knows. Ginger is most commonly known for its anti-inflammatory features. This is what makes it helpful if you struggle with obesity, as ginger is going to help reduce oxidative stress peculiar to this condition. Besides that, ginger is a filling product. So even consuming a bit more ginger, you are less likely to suffer from hunger pains if you decide to stick to a diet that contains less calories than your previous one. Finally, ginger will speed up your digestion and stabilize your blood sugar levels, all essential for effective weight loss. And then pineapple. Because pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is found in the juice of pineapple and helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn helps burn away the excess belly fat. Belly fat. That's my problem. Pineapple is good for your gut. It is rich in fiber and therefore aids in digestion. Now again, you can even juice and grab the fiber afterwards and go ahead and blend it up, which I probably will do some of that with the pineapple. I'm just going to juice a bit of it and also blend it up, trying to make mine a little bit more, thicker to help in even making it like a meal. Okay, now, and the final ingredient, which right before we blend everything up in the blender and add the water, I'm going to add in limes. Now I have 2 limes because my limes, these are not no juice. They're not juicy at all. You can also use lemon because in terms of their micronutrient content, y'all have heard this before, as far as carbs, protein, and fat, lemons and limes are essentially identical, with limes taking an insignificant lead in carb and calorie content. Lemons provide more vitamin C than limes, but both make a significant dietary contribution of this vitamin. Lemon juice increases the body's metabolism and is also helpful in improving immunity due to the presence of vitamin C in it. Drinking lime water is a great way to keep you hydrated, but it also helps in aiding in digestion, improving your skin, and helping promote weight loss, just like lemons do. You can use a lemon and a lime. You can use 2 limes. You can use a lemon. It doesn't matter. Add it in and you'll see the great benefits, I am sure, because I use both of those in a lot of my juicing recipes. Now again, let's go ahead and put it all together. Well, I just washed out all of my bottles, 6 bottles for my juicing. So this is the little funnel that I can use, which most times I just forget about using it, but today I'm going to remember because I pulled it out and put it by the bottles. I just washed all of those out. And if you didn't know, I will link it in the description box under this video. Just look for description. It will show you exactly the information regarding where you can get these bottles from. Of course, Amazon. My affiliate link is there. So check that out if you're interested. 1 cucumber, a couple inches of ginger. Make sure you do not use the powder. No powder in this one, okay? And then we're going to grab our pineapples, 1 cup or more, and also a half of a lemon or lime, and I'm using 2 limes because these have virtually no juice in them. And after I juice everything, I'm going to move over to my blender and add those ingredients into my blender along with a couple of cubes of ice, and also fill it up to the brim with water and fill up my juice bottles. Yes, these are my bottles I use for juicing. And then I'll, of course, then squeeze in the lime juice. So let's get busy doing this and let's see the results in a few days. Let's get it. All right, now I've completed putting the water in there. I've mixed it up, and now I'm just putting it in my containers, and honey, it is on. I am so ready to try this out. Y'all get ready for it. Look, doesn't it look delicious? It really does. It looks scrumptious. So I'm going to do this, and I will let y'all know what my results are in a couple of days. It'll take me, 2 days? Today, tomorrow, and I'll know something on Wednesday. So I will let y'all know what it do. Okay? So beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know. Drop a like on it. And also, if you have not subscribed, you know I can't call you a beautiful babe. If you have not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and keep on doing what you're doing. And that's sharing me with your world.